Smells like breakfast back here at Crystal's Cozy Diner. That's sunflower seed and maybe a hint of apple slice? Jackpot. Wait, what's that sound? Is someone making kissy noises at me? Oh boy, she's summoning me. The human has chosen me. Stay cool, Nibbles. Don't blow it. Just look adorable and chew dramatically.
Private, what's the meaning of this unauthorized flirtation?
Oh, hey Sarge. I was conducting a snack perimeter check. Totally routine.
Routine, huh? Then what's with all the smooching and tail wiggling?
Sir, I was blending in. It's called non-combat cuteness.
Blending in? You're one wink away from desertion!
Come on, Sarge. She's got peanuts out there. Have you seen the spread?
Wait, she's doing it again! Is she calling me now?
See? Told ya. It's powerful, isn't it?
Maintain professional distance, soldier!
Sure. While you're walking straight toward the feeder. Maybe just a little look. Make sure the rations are safe. He's falling for it. Classic kissy trap.
We've been spotted! Fall back!
Mission failed. But she totally winked at me.